Fashion is driven by novelty, and novelty is also the key challenge in fashion. Fashion brands are continuously designing and producing one collection after the other, depending on the current trends and upcoming season. And their supply chains are defined by their very own specific challenges and constraints. A fashion brand needs to make a decision on what to design, what products to push at what time, at the right price, and with a stock quantity that will be just enough to satisfy the market demand. But how do you estimate a demand for a product that never existed before, with no previous sales history? That's precisely why the key challenge in fashion is novelty, especially because demand does not fall from the sky. It is engineered by the product assortment presented before the customer, as people don't generally know what they want in advance. Furthermore, the demand for a product is strongly influenced by the presence or absence of similar products that all compete for the same customers. For example, here are two identical t-shirts, one in black and one in white. If I'm looking for a t-shirt, these two products will be competing against one another. But say I decided to go for the black t-shirt. Then I need to choose the right size, and the t-shirts in black in the various sizes will be competing against one another. The fashion industry is also extremely seasonal, with products changing based on trends and the time of the year. Besides, seasonality in itself is not fixed from year to year. Sometimes it gets colder earlier or warmer in general than the year before, which fashion brands must quickly adapt to. Another aspect to fashion is that sales, which are very typical for the industry, are essentially a manifestation of a forecast gone wrong, as we have excess stock to get rid of that is taking up shelf space. As fashion brands are pushing new products in the new collection, they must liquidate the previous stock to make room for the new incoming products. A sale boosts the demand for the products on promotion and speeds up its inventory rotation. The fashion supply chain deals with a lot of highly complex challenges, with the main one being the continuous product novelty with no previous sales history to work with. Consumer demand is generated by the supply, not the other way around as it normally is. Companies must keep this in mind to make the right decision on assortment, purchasing, stock allocation, identification of bestsellers and slow movers, and the right pricing strategies to optimize their supply chain performance.